Hey guys, welcome back to your show Tito Crypto once again. It's been a while. Today we're gonna talk about again the state of the market, state of cryptocurrencies, and the legacy market. As you can see, guys, we're gonna go straight to the charts here. We had a nice relief rally. We bottom here all the way to 17 and change. Some people believe this was the bottom. We do not know if it is. We'll see. And then we enjoy this beautiful rally, this up and down movement towards 25,000 and change. But what's happening now? Some people believe that this is the end of this short rally and we're gonna go back again to the downside. How long are we gonna go down? We don't really know. But at least some people believe that we're going to try to test this area here, at least. And probably the most, we're going to retest the bottom, sort of have this double bottom here and then shoot up one more time. Now there's a core belief, there's a minute amount of people that still believe that we're going down to this area here, the 13,000, 10,000. Okay, it's a long way down here, but who knows, we might come down that way. Okay, but guess what? Bitcoin does what Bitcoin wants to do. Bitcoin gives it to you, Bitcoin takes it away. That's what I said. So in this video I want to show you the possibilities of if we're gonna go up or if you're gonna go back down. My belief, my core belief, is that we will go to the downside one more time, and then finally, once we retest these areas here, we're gonna start springing back up again, despite what some people believe, that the economy is really bad, and which it is, the microeconomy and the world, it's really not the best what we can wish for. But the good news is that we have the CPA numbers that came out, and we were expecting, at least we knew, a lot of people knew, and the market sort of adjusted accordingly. Remember, we were at, if I can take you there, at 9.1 inflation rate in the past month. So this month came out with a better number. From 9.1 we came down to 8.5, which was a good news for the market, and the market rally, as you saw, all the way to 25,000. Okay, this move here, it was around when the news came out, and the market just rallied all the way up to 25. But guess what? We're coming down again, people. We're coming down again. And if you see, this is the daily. If you go to the weekly, you're gonna see something very interesting, and this is something that we need to hold. Okay, we need to hold the weekly 200 moving average, this white line here. Okay, as long as we remain on top, we're gonna do all right. Why? Because the previous times that BTC has come up and regained strength and regain again that beautiful bull market, this is what we did. It remained on top just like it did here. It went down, remember, and this time, and it went up, and it started, it sort of maintained structure above the 200 moving average, and from there was up and away. What was going on here, guys? Look, we try to maintain, but if we fall down, if this candle already came up, right? The daily candle already, it's on its way. This is the weekly, but the daily is already on its way. Now let's say we go below this yellow line, the whole body completely, and tomorrow we try to come back up and we're unable to, like it happened in these areas. There's a good chance that we're gonna go back and revisit these areas here, at least these areas here. The most, what I'm probably expecting is that we truly get that capitulation candle, just like we had it right here, right, all the way down to these areas. maybe all the way down to 13,000. I would like for that to happen, because that's going to give a chance to a lot of people that didn't expect this move to the upside. It'll give a chance to probably reload on the lows here. Okay, now, as I always said, I don't give financial advice. This is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes only, and in a way to teach you guys to trade the market, to trade the legacy markets. Okay, and hey, if you like that video, if you like the information that I'm giving you, just leave comments, leave a like, share this video with colleagues and friends, and let's all try to make some money together, or at least learn how to trade the markets. Okay, so once again, like I said before, guys, look, this looks really, really beautiful. How, like, back here went all the way, sustained the line, went up and down again. I believe this is the same move that we're gonna see here. We're gonna go back to the lows, and if I may go to now back to the daily, this is the weekly, and we're gonna see how different it looks on the daily. So now we have the 200 on top. Okay, and this is gonna be always our challenge. Every time we come on top, we came back down. I don't think in this time we're gonna climb all the way up. I think now we're gonna start making our way down again and revisit these areas here to sort of gather strength and probably try to attempt come up here again. By the time we come down in these areas, this line's gonna be sort of coming down, right? And at some point the price is going to meet the line, and once it goes above it, probably it's going to start making its way up. But we have time to see this come to fruition if indeed it happens. Okay, so keep close eyes in this movement. Stay here on the channel, guys. You can find me on Twitter, you can find me on Instagram, and also on TikTok. I usually give those little, a few seconds of great information on how the market is moving on a daily basis. So look, my bet, right? My next move is just to see if you already have the money invested in the market, take profits, right? If you sort of got in this around here and roll all the way up, take some profit. You should have taken profit already. Take some profit so you can reinvest whatever lows we revisit. Okay, because it's gonna be doing this, gonna be some specific channels that this price is gonna touch and either keep going down or going up. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you the charts that I've done. Okay, this is really private. I don't show this to everybody, but I'm gonna show you something that I've been learning from opticalart.com. Kudos to you. And this is basically the Fibonacci's and circles. Instead of the Fibonacci up and down, I'm drawing these in circles, and you'll see it now in a few, and I'll show you how the price is gonna interact, and it's actually interacting with those prices. Okay, here we go. It's gonna be a lot of lines and circles, and probably you're not gonna make sense out of it, but just bear with me. Let me find, what are you cracking right here. Hopefully it's gonna upload. It's a lot of information here that I would like to share with you. Okay, it's uploading slowly. Okay, beautiful. So if you see now the price, how, and mind you, I made the circle about, well, around right here, around this area, 14th, on the 14th, and look how beautiful the price is respecting that circle. Is coming back down. So I'm expecting this price to come all the way down here and probably pivot from here, right? You see the top here and the bottom here. It's gonna come back down and probably try to go back up again. It's been doing this for a long time, up and down again, up and down. And I believe we're gonna revisit this bottom line here. Now you can either find support and try to go back up again and come back to this line and then come back down again to these low prices, or you might just go right up. Okay, but if you want to know the direction of the market, again, follow me, follow my videos, and I'll be more than glad to teach you and to tell you which direction we are going. Guys, believe in the Lord of the Rings. All right, part 2, because the Lord of all of us is opticalart.com. This guy's awesome. Thanks to him, I learned how to do those rings, and as you can see, the price is following this ring to the T. So not only is it's following the ring, but it's also following, let's see, it's kind of slow here. It's not really moving the way that I want. It's and I lost it now. But anyways, it is what it is. Let me see if I lost the Kraken screen again. Bear with me, guys, here. This is live. Okay, never mind. So I showed the ring. At some point it's gonna all load again and it's gonna show. We're gonna see this price going down, as you remember, going down this ring all the way to this lows here. But I'm expecting this to come a little lower and then try to find support. And based on the situation of the legacy markets, meaning the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones and the likes, if it's doing okay, you might find support and hold. But if the Dow Jones and the S&P starts coming down, BTC is going to follow suit. It's going to keep coming down. And the prices of the legacy markets, right? The S&P, if you can see, is also being stopped, if you will, right? It found the 200 moving average up here. And what usually happens here, as you can see, when it finds this line, if it's under it, it acts as, it stops the price from keep going up and usually comes back down. Even once it goes up and past the line, sometimes it's try to find support, but it breaks support and keeps coming down. So I'm thinking this is already oversold. This is way, 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 way up. And there's a good chance that it starts coming back down again, which is gonna then act against BTC price, and Bitcoin is gonna go back down or keep the downside movement as it is doing right now. All right, guys. So overall, the legacy markets are already topped out. There's a good chance that we're gonna start going down, and BTC is already going down to begin with. So if legacy markets are going down, BTC is gonna come down even harder, and there's a good chance we might revisit these lower prices here. I'll keep you informed, guys. Again, visit my channel, hit the like button, subscribe, share with your friends. It's gonna really, really help the algorithm. And I'll see you next time. Tito Crypto. Bye.